Hello, what is up everyone? Today I will be teaching you how to enable dark mode on Snapchat with Android. First, I want you to go ahead and open your Snapchat account. As we can see, we have our dark mode disabled. To enable dark mode on Snapchat, I want you to try and click your profile, then click on the settings icon to open settings. From there, we will look for app appearance, and we just have to choose the always dark option. However, some of you may not have app appearance supported on your phone, so make sure you have your Snapchat updated to the latest version. If app appearance is still not available, I want you to go to your phone settings and search for dark mode. Then we will toggle it on, and now as we can see, we have our phone in dark mode. And let's open Snapchat again. And voila, we have our Snapchat available in dark mode. And that is it, everyone. Thank you for watching.